Welcome to our Photoshop tutorial. In this video, we will demystify some of the fundamental tools every Photoshop enthusiast should know. This is simpler tutorial. In next videos, we will learn advance. Join us as we explore Photoshop Illustrator. Let's dive in. The Move tool is your gateway to effortless manipulation of elements within your Photoshop canvas. Whether it's dragging, repositioning, or resizing layers, the Move tool is your go-to companion for smooth editing. Perfect for selecting rectangular areas, the rectangular Marquee Tool allows you to precisely crop images, highlight sections, or create custom shapes. Mastering this tool opens up endless possibilities for creative composition. I selected a particular area and filled it with solid color. You can do multiple things like blur the specific part, copy or paste the part, insert anything in selected region, and more. Freeform selections become a breeze with the Lasso tool. Trace any shape or object with fluidity, selecting even the most irregular subjects with ease. It's the key to achieving precision and finesse in your edits. For straight-edged selections and sharp corners, the Polygonal Lasso Tool is your best friend. Learn how to create intricate and accurate shapes to elevate your editing skills to the next level. Struggling with tricky outlines? The Magnetic Lasso tool will come to your rescue. Watch as we demonstrate its magical ability to automatically snap to edges, making the selection process a walk in the park. Get ready to experience some Photoshop sorcery with the Magic Wand tool. Learn how to make quick selections based on color and tone, and effortlessly edit specific areas of your images.